How to delete account on hotels.com. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can delete your account on the hotels.com app, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to delete your account on the hotels.com app, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch your hotels.com application here. Then if you want to delete the account, then tap the account option from the bottom right of the screen to come to the account page. Then just scroll down to the very bottom until you get to this section where it says delete account. As you can find it, you want to make sure to just tap on this option. It is going to ask me for a confirmation. Are you sure you want to delete it? Just select any of the reason, and then over here you can just select submit option or skip if you'd like. Then just tap on the option called permanently delete account, and then your hotels.com account is going to get successfully deleted. This way you can delete your hotels.com account. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.